Alex from Tip Over Bust. I'm so excited that you're joining me today for this super easy hair tutorial. My hair texture is naturally really fine and really straight, so it sometimes feels a bit boring and I don't really know what to do with it. So I'm super excited that there's this new trend with these cute retro big hair clips. You can channel Margot Tenenbaum and do a bit more of a harsh look with really straight hair and just one clip on the side. You can do something more romantic and even kind of like silent movie era, like the Veronica Lake look. So I'm going to take you through a few really easy ways to incorporate this trend. I, for one, am usually a bit accessory averse when it comes to hair, so I can assure you this one requires absolutely no expertise. It's so easy to do, so watch on to see all of my favorite looks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you loved this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to make sure I have all the clips that I used linked below for you guys so you can shop them. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one.